And here we are again. Look at this. Our little helper, Angel. Always got to be a part of the show. Yes, you do. Alright. Get down. Good girl. And this is Wayne with Let's Get Cooking with Wayne again. How you folks doing? Last episode we did the bonbon sirop. Still fun to say. We're going to follow along with that whole theme, and we're going to go with tonight's episode. We're doing a dish called, it's not even a dish, it's called Epis. Epis is a base used in Haiti. It's a seasoning base. And what it is you've got a mixture of different things, peppers, onions, scallions, garlic, you'll see. But the flavor that goes with this, it's amazing. It really is. There shouldn't touch your face right now. We're in quarantine. Remember that, folks. Don't touch your face. Wash your hands. This is crazy. We'll talk about that later, though. This is used in a lot of the recipes in Haiti. It is also used in a dish called diri, which is rice and beans, red beans and rice. And after the research I've done, they use it in just about everything they do. That's not sweet, of course. So let's go ahead. Let's get cooking with Wayne, and let's go see what we're going to do. Okay, so the first thing we got to do is we got to make some epis. Probably not saying it right. Those of you of Haitian descent probably are saying, "Oh God, Wayne, you're doing it so wrong." But so someone can correct me, that's what we're calling it, Epis. And what it is, it's a Haitian seasoning base. Now, they use this pretty much, from all my research, they use this in just about everything. Even if the recipe doesn't even call for it, they still use it. What we have is we have a small onion, coarsely chopped, yellow bell pepper, coarsely chopped, green bell pepper, coarsely chopped, red bell pepper, coarsely chopped, 6 scallions, coarsely chopped. We got 6 leaves of basil. We got 6 cloves of garlic, coarsely chopped, and we've got a bunch of parsley, coarsely chopped. What we're going to do is add them to the food processor, and we're going to blend them with a half a cup of olive oil until it is smooth. We're going to make it a puree. We're making, like I said, the seasoning base. Alright, so here we go. We're going to add our vegetables first. Onion, yellow pepper. Doesn't look so pretty how we have it set up. Now, something you might notice, this processor is old. Okay, but like any craftsman will tell you, if you take care of your equipment will take care of you. So I've had this for quite a while now. Adding the parsley. The garlic. Remember, 6 cloves garlic, coarsely chopped. 6 basil leaves, coarsely chopped. And a half a cup of olive oil. Just that smells good by itself. Mind you, Sue might disagree because she's not a big salad person, so.
Yeah, no.
Alright, so there we go. Epis. Now, like I said, it's real simple, and this is following the whole theme they were doing with the Haitian dishes. I've reached out to the Bobby Bones show several times and to Amy Brown herself, and I've not been able to get through. I unfortunately still have to go to work, or fortunately, it depends on how you look at it. My job is considered one of the essential jobs, so I go to work every day. Any of you guys have the time, try to reach out, get them to check it out. she's doing like everybody else. She and Bobby and all them have self-isolated themselves. I honestly wish I could, but I'm not allowed to. If I do, I lose my job. And right now, as we all know, we all need our jobs. So, there we go. This is now, mind you, one more episode after this. And we're going to be using the Epis in this meal. So I wanted you to see how it's done first. Now, you can freeze this, and it's good for up to a month. If you keep it in your refrigerator, it's good for about 5 days. So you can always pre-make this before you do any of your dishes. Now, to be perfectly honest with you, I'm going to go on the side of what the Haitians are doing. This can be used so many different ways. You don't have to use it just for Haitian dishes. Taste it. I'm not a big green pepper person. Sue is definitely not a green pepper person. But she'll tell you just as much as I will. The flavor in that you do not taste the peppers. Everything blends together so well. It's amazing. Give it a try. Like I said, you'll use it for more than just a Haitian dish or anything that has to do with Creole. You will use this as much as possible just because of the flavor that you're going to get from it. So you guys remember, we're in this whole thing together, okay? Keep your social distancing, wash your hands, but there's no reason you can't connect with each other. Now, right below, there's going to be our website, our email. Let's get cookingwithwayne@gmail.com. Send me your requests, ideas, critiques. I'm open. I'm not going to get my feelings hurt. Hit the subscribe button, thumbs up, and I'll see you next time, folks.